What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone's having an awesome day. So on this episode of Trucking Tuesday, I ordered 2 boots. One of them's got here, but the one boot that's on the transmission, that's all deteriorated and stuff that I've been showing y'all. I'm gonna show y'all again though. But this is the boot. I ordered it, I ripped that apart, I gotta replace that. But that boot has holes all in it. So as I'm driving, transmission fluids seeping out. But the boot that I told y'all about that goes underneath the transmission, that where the slave cylinder meets up, the little slave cylinder, and then you got the little arm that goes through the throwout bearing, this is it. This is the boot. This is what I've been needing. Let me make sure I got a good. Oh yeah, this tree's an assassination tree. Has acorns and it just starts shooting it at you. Yeah, they really shoot them. But anyway, this is the boot. And I think it was like $12 or something I got from Amazon. But if y'all need a part number, let me know, and then I'll try to go find it again. But this is going on the bottom of my transmission. And then I got the boot coming. It should be coming, should arrive here in like a next week or so. So then I can replace it. And then finally, my truck should be like tip top, other than the KC light. That decided to like just fall down. Still haven't got to that, but it's a work in progress. Got pretty much it going. Been debating whether to take that Atlanta Falcons sticker off, cause you know they're horrible. Anyway, but hopefully once when all that's said and done, that I can go play in some deeper mud and then have some awesome footage of that and all that good stuff. But yeah, just if y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints. No, I'm just kidding, no complaints. There's my cat walking up. Yeah. Yeah, kitty, 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 kitty. Yeah, this is Leah. But hopefully my truck will be here soon, or be good soon, so I can start driving it without stressing out about it leaking transmission fluid out that boot. But hopefully in the next week or so, I can be doing a video on it. So comment, like, subscribe, and continue to support me and follow me. And those that are now, thank you, and continue to support me. Hope y'all all have an awesome day. See y'all soon.